Question 7. Margaret has a weekly income of $900 and allocates her money according to the budget shown in the sector graph. How long will it take Margaret to save $3,600? Using a protractor, the angle of the saving sector is 80 degrees. Now, as a fraction of the whole circle, 80 over 360, since there are 360 degrees in a whole circle, amounts to 2/9 of the whole circle, or 2/9 of the $900 that's allocated towards savings. So the amount saved each week is 900 times 2 over 9, or 2/9 of 900, which is $200 each week. So to find the number of weeks it takes to save $3,600, we take 3,600, divide that by the amount saved each week, which is $200 per week, and that equals 18 weeks. Therefore, the answer is option D.